Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to resize an image in Microsoft Publisher document. So get let's started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show resize image in Publisher. Now firstly, going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for picture option. Now find your picture. Now for it. Now select from picture. Now click for insert option. That's it. Now resize image. Now going to the crop option. Now click for format option. Now click for crop option. Now again click for crop. Now resize for image. That is. Then I show resize an image in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for